In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to your Notion page. Adding audio can enhance your documents, whether you're embedding a lecture, some background music, or a personal memoir. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily integrate audio files directly into your Notion workspace, making your pages more dynamic and interactive. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the specific page within Notion where you intend to add the audio player. Navigate to your workspace and make sure you've selected the correct page. Once you're there, click to enter edit mode if needed so you can start modifying the content. Now, to insert an audio block, you'll need to bring up the Notion commands. Typing in the /, that's the # key on your keyboard, followed by the word audio, will prompt Notion to display a selection of options. This / command is a powerful shortcut in Notion, allowing you to quickly access a wide array of features without navigating through menus. As you type your audio, watch the auto suggest feature pop up to confirm that you're on the right track. Click on audio, and you will see an option to choose a file, which will be the next step in this process. With the audio block now on your page, the next action is to click on choose a file within the audio block. This option is prominently displayed as it is the key to connecting your audio content with Notion. Clicking this will open up your file explorer, allowing you to browse and locate the desired audio file on your device. When you have located the audio file you'd like to use, select it and hit open. If you have a dedicated folder for your audio resources, this will be an easy process. You can upload various audio formats supported by Notion to ensure that your file type is compatible. Notion generally accepts formats commonly used like MP3, WAV, and more, making it flexible with